Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the owner account on the console you'll share. Once signed in, make this console the owner's home Xbox so subscriptions unlock for other profiles. While you're there, confirm the owner's account has Game Pass active and two-factor access ready. Once done, add the guest account to the console. You'll need it for the Switch. Make sure the console is updated and online, because the home setting only takes effect with the latest system software. Next, sign out of the owner and sign into the guest profile on the same box. You can now browse Game Pass in the store while using the guest profile, download titles you want. Downloads run under the console license applied by the home setting. While downloading, keep the owner account present on the console but signed out. If you remove the owner or switch home settings, sharing breaks. Once games finish installing, launch them from the guest profile to confirm access and smooth performance. To finish, launch each Game Pass title from the guest profile and confirm full access. If you encounter license errors, restart the console and sign the owner back in briefly to refresh licenses, then sign out again. If problems persist, check that the owner's account still has Game Pass active and that the console remains set as home Xbox. Only one console can be home for an account, and changing it elsewhere will revoke sharing. Lastly, coordinate home settings with anyone else.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.